Hello everyone, this is GameFrost. In today's new video, what we're going to do today is we're going to try and speed up our phone without installing any other speed boosting app or having any root. So let's get started. To start off, your phone may vary. Basically, any settings could be different. So, if you guys want to access developer mode, you might do have to do something different. But I'm pretty sure it's the same for almost all Android devices. So, in my Android device, I have a LG Stylo 6, and the first thing that I need to do is go straight into settings right here, and then I click on system. There I click on about phone and I click on software info. Then as you can see here, you can see the build number, software version, kernel, everything. Now in order to access developer mode, what you need to do is tap on build number a few times. It might ask you 4 times, 5 times. You got to keep tapping it until you know developer mode is finally shown up. Now in order to access developer mode, what you need to do is to go back and you'll see something called developer mode or developer options on your system's panel. So you click on that and you see there's a lot of options to pick from. So what we need to do is that we're going to try to find something that can actually boost our phone. So in order to find it, all we need to do is scroll down, and as you can see the drawing tab, right? So basically it's about graphics and whatever it is, and the window animation scale, you can actually make it snappier instead of bringing it smooth. So our default animation scale is 1x. We can bring that down to 0.5x, and as you can see, my system is a little bit snappier when trying to transition. So let's try to do a little test. So yeah, it's a little bit snappy. So we're gonna go back to settings, and the next thing that we need to do is to enable don't keep activities. Now what does don't keep activities do is that it basically, once you exit an app, it'll actually force close it. So when that happens, it'll actually free up some memory space. So basically it's like a background killer or something like that. Like as soon no, it's an app killer, my bad. So it kills the app as soon as you leave, and it'll actually free up some memory for you. Now also for the background process limit, you can actually bring in a limit through all the backgrounds. You can try no background process, or you can do up to 4 process. So if you have like a game or something like that, or if you have like, I don't know, maybe a movie playing, and then, or let's say music playing in the background, you can actually set a limit to see how many apps can run in the background. And I think this will also be a good memory saver. So you can probably click no background processes if you don't want anything running in the background, or you can try to go up to 4 processes. But I'll just keep mine standard. It's all up on you guys. So that's basically it. If you want to speed up your phone, it's not much, but I think it should be good for your old phone or phones that probably have like limited memory. I think this should work for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, you can leave a like. If you want to check out my Ko-Fi to donate, it'll be in the description, especially with my Discord channel if you want to join, and all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching as of again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody, and have a great day.